Let's go back to our admin account and let's create users for Joey and Phil and assign them access to their tour types. So I'll go to People, Add New User, and we'll fill out Joey's information. And now let's do the same for Phil. And finally, let's assign authorship of the tour types to their creators. So we'll go to Content, and we'll open up all of these in new tabs. Extreme Snorkeling is Phil. Cathartic Tunneling is Phil. Desert Spin is Joey. And Space Jumping is Joey as well. Okay, looks like we got a new message from Max. Hope you're keeping up. We have a new wireframe ready for the staff page. That Bobby guy is a little intimidating. He keeps saying that the lighting is off in his pic, and can we please fix that? I get the feeling that if I say no, he's going to use me as fuel for whatever machine he's driving there. Wish me luck. Also, looks like they have an intern here too. Maybe you two can go out together and talk about how awesome your bosses are. Ha 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 ha. Seriously though, take a look at 09 our team wireframe, 08 staff photos, and the data in 07 staff data.csv and get those site builded as soon as possible. Thanks. All right, let's take a look at the wireframe. So we got a title, our team, and then it's a list of people. We have their name, we have their position or positions. It looks like Kate is website administrator, but Phil is guide and founder. We have an image that's 150 pixels by 150 pixels, some bio information, and then a contact link, and it says there should only be contact links for Phil and Sandra.